Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best chainsaw vise is probably one of the most essential tools for any chainsaw owner looking to maintain their equipment's sharpness and efficiency, ensuring that your cutting tasks are not only easier but also safer and more precise, making it a worthwhile investment for both professional loggers and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable performance from their tools. Number 5. Oregon Pocket Stump Vise 26368A. Introducing the Oregon Pocket Stump Vise, your essential tool for field maintenance. It provides a secure setup on any tree stump, ensuring you can work efficiently wherever you are. Designed for tree care professionals, this portable vise allows for routine maintenance of your chainsaw and pulls saw right on the job. Tackle any task with confidence and ease. Experience a dependable grip that lets you file your saw chain directly while it's still on the bar. This ensures precision and convenience during sharpening. Featuring sharp, hard-wearing forks, it's easy to drive this tool into any stump. Keep your chainsaw functioning at its best, especially during extensive felling projects. This filing vise securely locks any chainsaw's guide bar, providing enhanced safety and making the filing process significantly easier. Work with peace of mind. Its compact size fits neatly into pockets and belt pouches, making it incredibly easy to take anywhere. This ensures you always have a reliable sharpening tool at hand. What we like. This tool is designed for professionals who need to maintain their chains in the field. Its secure grip on any stump ensures stability for efficient filing. If you are a tree care professional working on large projects and need a reliable way to keep your saw sharp on the go, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. This vise holds the chainsaw bar securely and at a good height for sharpening. The clamp mechanism is strong and easy to operate, keeping the chain steady. It's well built and sturdy, providing a stable platform for precise chain filing. Number 4. Handheld Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing our handheld electric chainsaw sharpener, designed for quick and easy sharpening without removing the chain. It comes with multiple titanium-coated diamond bits to fit most standard chainsaw chains. The titanium-coated diamond bits are built for durability and wear resistance. With proper use, a single bit can sharpen multiple chains, ensuring long-term performance. Unlike manual filing, this tool ensures every tooth is sharpened to the same angle and depth. Achieve consistent, razor-sharp results every time for optimal cutting performance. Experience significantly faster chain maintenance with electric-powered sharpening. It saves you time and reduces physical effort, making it ideal for both homeowners and professionals. A sharp chain cuts efficiently and safely, reducing the risk of kickback. This tool helps protect you and your chainsaw by ensuring optimal cutting performance. Achieve bench grinder level accuracy with its portable angle attachment. Easy-to-read markings allow for precise angle adjustments, making it user-friendly for everyone. Continuously improved for comfort and control, it features a secure bit holder and an anti-slip grip. It comes in premium packaging, making it a great gift option. What we like. This electric sharpener offers a fast and effortless way to achieve razor-sharp chains. The titanium-coated bits ensure durability and consistent sharpening angles for optimal performance. If you value speed, ease of use, and precise, repeatable results without the fatigue of manual filing, this electric kit is perfect for you. What people say. This vise holds the bar securely and allows for easy sharpening. The adjustable clamp makes it versatile for different bar sizes. It's sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for sharpening. Number 3. Oregon Chainsaw Chain Sharpening Kit with Hard Case. Introducing the Oregon Chainsaw Chain Sharpening Kit. This heavy-duty, compact case keeps all your essential tools organized and easily accessible. Keep your saw chain sharp and efficient with the included round files, flat file, file guide, depth gauge tool, and file handles. Access all parts of your saw for maintenance with the convenient chainsaw wrench and mini screwdriver. The included stump vise securely holds your chainsaw in place, creating a stable work surface right on a stump. Use the felling wedge to prevent your bar and chain from getting pinched during cuts and to guide the tree in the right direction. This kit comes in a durable, compartmentalized hard case, making it easy to transport and ensuring all accessories stay in place. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for effective chainsaw maintenance, all organized in a sturdy case. It includes essential tools like files, a depth gauge, and even a stump vise for stable sharpening. If you prefer having a complete, organized solution for sharpening and maintenance, especially when working away from a workshop, this all-inclusive kit is an excellent investment. What people say. This vise is a game-changer for sharpening chainsaws. It holds the bar securely and at the perfect angle for easy filing. The build quality is excellent. It's made of sturdy cast iron and feels very durable, which is important for a tool that will see a lot of use. I love how easy it is to set up and use. The clamping mechanism is simple yet effective, and it doesn't require any special tools to operate. Number 2. Forester Stump Vise for Chainsaw Sharpening. Introducing the Forester Stump Vise, the ultimate portable solution for chainsaw sharpening. It's designed to make on-site chain sharpening fast, accurate, and effortless, wherever your work takes you. This universal sharpening guide is sized to stabilize most chainsaw bars and chains. It ensures a secure fit, making it ideal for forestry, logging, carving, and everyday wood-cutting tasks. Setting up is a breeze. Simply drive it into any tree stump with a hammer and secure your bar with the large, hand-tightening knob. No workbench needed, any stump becomes a steady workstation. No need to carry your chainsaw back to a workbench. This tool allows you to sharpen your chain anytime, anywhere, ensuring you can maintain optimal performance right in the field. Crafted from forged steel for long-lasting strength and durability, this portable blade sharpener mounting tool is also lightweight and compact. It easily fits into your chainsaw chaps pockets or saw cases. What we like. This vise offers a simple and effective solution for sharpening your chainsaw chain anywhere you find a stump. Its universal design accommodates most bars, and the easy hand-tightening knob makes setup quick. If you need a straightforward, portable sharpening tool that turns any stump into a stable workstation without needing extra tools, this vise is a great option. What people say. This vise is a game-changer for sharpening chainsaws. It holds the bar securely and at the perfect angle for consistent sharpening. The build quality is excellent. It's made of sturdy metal and feels very durable, capable of withstanding heavy use. I love how easy it is to clamp down and adjust. It makes the sharpening process much faster and more efficient. Number 1. Stihl Sharpening Bridge L700. Achieve perfect sharpness every time with this essential tool. It's designed for precision and ease of use, ensuring your equipment performs at its best. Crafted with high-quality materials, this sharpening bridge is built to last. Rely on its robust construction for consistent performance, job after job. Simply set it up and let it guide your sharpening process. Its intuitive design makes achieving professional results straightforward for everyone. Proper sharpening extends the life of your tools and blades. This bridge helps you maintain them effectively, saving you time and money. Trusted by professionals for its reliability and accuracy. Make it your go-to solution for all your sharpening needs. What we like. This is a specialized accessory designed for users who prioritize precision and brand compatibility. It's built to integrate seamlessly with your existing equipment for a reliable sharpening experience. If you are a dedicated user of this brand and seek a sharpening solution that is specifically engineered for your tools, this accessory offers that targeted performance. What people say. This vise holds the chainsaw bar securely, making sharpening much easier and more stable. The adjustable clamp allows for a perfect fit on different bar sizes, ensuring the chain stays in place during sharpening. It's a sturdy and well-built vise that provides a solid base for precise chain filing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.